Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students who enrolled this subject for this semester, where your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, please join with me to study these three numbers of integration. So, for number 1, I have integral of sine theta over 3 times cosine theta over 3 d theta. Well, number 2 is still trigonometric function by integration. Integral of cosine squared theta over sine squared theta d theta. Number 3, sine theta over cosine to the 4th theta d theta. Okay? So, for number 1, let u will be sine theta over 3. Okay? Then differentiating both sides, so this will be du is equals to derivative of theta. So this will be 1/3. Then this will be cosine theta over 3 d theta. Okay? So divide both sides by 1/3. Divide both sides by 1/3. So 1/3 at the right side will be crossed out. So I have now 3 times du. Okay? Or 3 over 1 du is equals to cosine theta over 3 d theta. Okay? So 3 du over 1, that will be 3 du is equals to cosine theta over 3 d theta. Okay? So meaning, cosine theta over 3 d theta is equal to du over 3. So meaning, this will be integral of sine theta over 3, that will be u. Then times cosine theta over 3 d theta, that will be 3 times du. So 3 is a constant, so it should be isolated from the integral, so this will be placed outside. So this will be 3 integral of u du. And we know that integration is n plus 1. So our n in here is 1 plus 1, so this will be equal to 2. So I have now 3 u squared over 2, then this will be plus c. Then plug in the value of u. So this will be 3 over 2. Then u is sine, circle brackets, sine theta over 3. Then this will be squared. Then this will be plus c. So therefore, my final answer will be 3 halves sine squared theta over 3. Then this will be plus c. So this is now my number 1 answer of integral of sine theta over 3 times cosine theta over 3 d theta. So this is now for number 1 answer. Then let us proceed to number 2. So anyway, I have space. So this is for number 2. So number 2 is integral of, I will rewrite. So cosine squared theta d theta. Then this will be over sine squared theta. So cosine squared over sine squared, that will be integral of cotangent squared theta d theta. Then note, in our trigonometry, we have identities. So 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta. Okay, solving for cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta minus 1. So I will plug in. So this will be integral of circle brackets cosecant squared theta minus 1. Then this will be d theta. Then integrate individually. So distribute, right? So this will be cosecant squared theta d theta. Then this will be minus d theta. Okay, so integral of cosecant squared. So we have integration formula. Cosecant squared u du is equals to negative cotangent u plus c. Okay, so this will be negative cotangent theta then this will be minus theta, then this will be plus c. So I have now negative, then circle brackets cotangent theta, then this will be plus theta, then this will be plus c. So this is now number 2 answer of integral of cosine squared theta over sine squared theta d theta. Okay? So last number 3. So number 3 will be simplify. So this will be sine theta over cosine theta times, there is one left, right? So this will be cosine cube theta, then this will be d theta. So sine theta over cosine theta, so that will be integral of tangent theta, then this will be times 1 over cosine cube, so this will be secant cube theta d theta. Then I will split this one, so this will be integral of secant theta. I will take one in here, and then tangent theta, then this will be secant squared theta d theta. Okay, then what is the value of the identity? So this will be 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. Okay, then I will let you in here, u will be secant theta, then du will be secant theta tangent theta d theta. So meaning this one, secant theta tangent theta d theta, is du. Okay, so allow me to erase this portion for number 3. So this will be integral of secant, this will be u squared, then secant theta times tangent theta d theta, that will be du. So in integration formula, standard formula, this will be n plus 1. So 2 plus 1, that will be 3 over 3. Then plus c. Then plug in the value of u. U is secant. So this will be secant theta raised to the 3rd power over 3. Then this will be plus c. So my final answer for number 3 is secant cube theta over 3. Then this will be plus c. This is now the final answer of number 3, which is integral of sine theta over cosine to the 4th theta d theta. So I'm done with number 1, done with number 2, and number 3. So hopefully this integration problems could help you during your examination or quizzes. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to this number of, I have 3 numbers of integration, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.